Hello, welcome. I'm Stephen Watson. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip, and I'm here at Someday Farm. I think it's about 8 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 4:45 in the morning. It's nearly full moon directly overhead. It's pretty. The full moon is kind of evenly in the room when I have the lights out, which I think I'll turn out in a moment. I'm facing east, and there's no wall, and the sun will be coming up soon. So this is a practice I enjoy doing, which is to choose a movement in the form that's readily repeatable, that I don't have to kind of reset after I do it, and do it as an invitation to the sun's rise. I'll also do this as a, escorting the sun in its setting, but it's sunrise, so that's the version I'm doing now. And so I rather imagine I'm encouraging it or helping it or synchronizing with it. It doesn't necessarily have to have a causative kind of intention behind it, but I'm basically, my partner is the sun that's rising. I'm doing it east, facing a wall with no windows, indoors, so I can't actually see the sun come up, but I'm trying to additionally feel the sun come up rather than just respond visually. So I'm trying to encourage the full Tàijíquán experience. And at some point, even if I'm misjudging it, enough light will be coming in the windows that it'll be apparent that the sun has come up. But I could do this by looking at the clock and knowing exactly when it's coming up and starting a few minutes early. And I can start more or less the right time without having looked at the clock and just, spend an hour doing this or 35 minutes until I feel it. So it's a really nice way to kind of get in touch sort of a little bit more cosmically than just the earthbound, sodbound feet. So that's the tip for today, to make the celestial bodies your sensing hand partner. So thank you very much. And don't forget, you came up with an awful lot of wonderful partners. Thank you for supporting me. This is my Linktree page, and this is Tàijíquán Tips, because tips really help me stay alive. Thank you very much. Do stay in touch and comment and share.